Hey, it's Brittany, your Houston Realtor. We're here on the Porte, Texas today, taking a look at one of the newest homes built in the city. And so I'm excited to show it to you. It is a 2,400 square foot home, 2-story, and we're talking about 4 beds and 2.5 baths here. There is an extra room on the 2nd floor that could make a really good game room or an office or even a 5th bedroom. So I'm excited to show you this one. It's just chock full of features, including several little extra study spaces, bill paying spaces, whatever kind of little homework study spaces that you could come up with there, and tall ceilings, an excellent garage space as well, half bath on the 1st floor. And so there's just tons of amenities here, and the price really can't be beat for a good 4 to possibly 5 bedroom home in the area, brand new. And so I'm excited to show you this home. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, welcome to a brand new home in the community of Battleground Estates in La Porte, Texas. We're talking about 10620 Def Smith, 2,406 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, game room on the 2nd floor, 2-car garage, as you see right here, and bonus, no HOA in this community. So that's really one less thing to have to worry about here. Modern finishes, as you can see, the stone, the stucco, white. That's really the feel, the look and the feel that they've kept through the whole entire home. You'll be able to see it very easily. Let me know what you think about this home and if I can do anything for you, and enjoy.